Today we're at Silverlake Auto Recycling and we're going to see if we can find something to save and put back on the road. Too many classic cars are being thrown away because they're not new or trendy enough. And with looming bans on petrol cars, we aren't getting any more new ones. The way Silverlake works is a car comes into their premises, and if it's possible to be sold, it goes up on the auction platform. If there's no interest and it goes unsold a few times in a row, then it goes off to be broken up for parts. They dismantle over 100 cars a day, but we're not here to take one apart. We're looking for a neglected car in line for breaking that we can pull off the racks and give a second chance.
I'm feeling a little overwhelmed.
I love it. I'm in my element. I'm happy right now.
We haven't even scratched the surface of this place.
We're 4 rows in.
Look at it.
It just goes on forever. It's rare. Rare. Colour on the, I think that's a Mark 1 Polo sedan up there. You see the green
one?
I think that needs to go on our shortlist.
Okay.
They're rare. How good would that be? It's a saloon. Look how rare those are.
A Polo saloon. The trouble is we can't really get a good idea of it.
We can get a good idea of the sills.
Yeah, we don't want to...
Can we do a walk around?
Yeah. Can we get the drone up?
Oh yeah, we'll get the drone.
Inspect the condition. So that's got to go on our shortlist for
Okay.
sure. I've never seen one in that colour. I see an E39 over there.
Sorry, just that view. What are you
There,
looking
you can
at?
see you can actually see the back
You
end
can't
from
see
here.
anything.
Look, should we go over there? I mean, there will be something that distracts us before we even make it there. Didn't we come down for something else a second ago?
Can we just blindfold you whilst we walk you over?
Like a racehorse, we'll put blinkers on you.
Oh, cool!
Yeah, and there it is. We couldn't make it 2 rows over without them being distracted by something.
You like this?
Well, it's more so that it just looks out of place a little bit. Everything else is that much newer. This is so what you come to expect on these cars.
Yeah.
The lock is a door latch.
West Sussex, London to Brighton Run in 1996, they did that. I'm going to tell you something that you can do with Morris Minors. You can body swap them onto MX-5 chassis.
We'll have this one.
Is that on the shortlist?
Yes.
Come look at the rear arch on this.
Oh, okay.
That is the primest example of Bluetooth fender I've ever seen.
Yeah. Is it MOT exempt? That's ready to go on the road.
Okay, we'll have to give that a miss. Oh my word.
Oh my God, how did we miss that?
What, the Colt?
A first gen Mitsubishi Colt. Surely that's got to go on the list.
Have you still not made it over to the car you want to look at?
No, not
we
yet.
found some other things as well to look at.
Oh, we finally made it.
Yeah, okay, come on.
Hello, you.
Look at this thing.
Look at the gold silver spirit.
I would love to know what the story is on that 996. Should we buy the cheapest Porsche 911 in the country? Rare as well in white. If that's a factory white car, that's a really rare car. I could make one of those look real good.
No, you can.
What? Mitsubishi 3000 GT or GTO, but it's modified, it's got Evo wheels. So someone cared. Put that on the list.
Well, they are interesting.
They are cool. Ooh.
Oh, it's very green.
Oh, I like that. It's a Key West edition.
What does that mean?
They're built in Florida?
They're built in Florida.
No, that thing looks mint.
Why is that here?
What's the story on this thing?
It's like the Clio we had and the Saxo we had.
A 106. It is the trio. This is going on the list, right?
You want to throw it on the list?
This is going on the list.
All right.
We've seen a lot of great stuff here, but do you know what we haven't seen? A tank. But if you want to drive one of those, then now you can with this week's sponsor, War Thunder.
War Thunder is an epic, free-to-play, large-scale, multiplayer action game featuring ground, air, and naval combat. And you can get it on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and even Mac.
Much like Ethan trying to understand what all these cars are, each battle in War Thunder is an epic confrontation. The latest update, Sons of Attila, comes with stunning new visual effects. Aerial battles are now more captivating with the new voice warning system, and new maps and vehicles have been added, including an entire family of unique Hungarian ground vehicles to the game.
Not only that, but you can modify them with vehicle customization with historically accurate skins and make each machine unique. This means you finally have a reason to legitimately camo wrap a vehicle.
In the ground vehicle class, you can drive tanks, which are like army cars, boats in the fleet class, which are like cars on the water, and in the fan favourite aviation class, planes, which are like boats but with wings in the sky.
Here's Jack now, absolutely mashing up a crew in a tank. Great job, Jack.
You can download War Thunder by hitting the link in the description, and all new players and those who haven't played War Thunder for half a year or more will receive some special bonuses, including
Rentals for the P-40E1 aircraft and M4 tank with 3 unique skins for them,
a special decorator, Eagle of Valor,
100,000 Silver Lions,
3 premium vehicles for free.
a week of premium account, and even more gifts.
Thanks War Thunder, you're the best.
Oh, that's cool. That would be nice. Like an LS400.
Throw that on the list.
Yeah, throw it on the list, all right. Ooh, Jack. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this thing's sweet.
The urge for something like this is very strong at the minute.
Oh, and the Bath 500?
Yes, very good.
Imagine us in that.
I can't.
What's like top of the list?
Just to give it a chance, because I'm not sure anyone else would, that 106 I do quite...
I like the 106 as well.
Yeah.
Shortlist decided on, we headed over to speak to Rob Lewis from Silverlake to see what was available from our list.
Thank you for the tour. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, no problem. Great for you guys to visit our site.
Appreciate it.
As you can see, it's a lot more than just a scrapyard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
100%,
quite a bit.
yeah.
Absolutely. So, you've had a good look round.
Yeah.
What takes your fancy?
The green polo.
Unfortunately, it's sold.
It's just sold. Oh.
So we can't have the polo.
At least someone is going to purchase it. Yeah.
The LS400.
Unfortunately, that's also sold as well. There was a lot of interest in that
That's
one,
good
actually.
though. To be
Yeah,
fair, that's
good.
good. That
Cool.
means
Yeah.
that means someone's taking it. It's not going for breaking. So upside. We have the GTO.
The GTO, that's going on to auction next week, so that won't be available yet. That's still in the
Okay.
process of being sorted out.
The Morris Minor.
The Morris Minor, that unsold, that's going for breaking.
So that could be potential.
That could be potential. It could, if it does, it will go for relisting next week.
Okay. And the Peugeot.
The Peugeot is yours if you want it. It's currently live on auction that finishes today.
Okay. So we'd either have to wait on the Morris Minor or we could take the 106.
No, I think we'll pull the trigger right
I think
now.
let's go the 106. I like it.
Well, tell you what, because I like you guys, and you've come all the way down here, we've got 2 spin it bays where we look at the higher end cars up close. I'll get the Peugeot into the spin it bay now for you guys to take a closer look.
So
wicked,
it was already in there because it was one of the higher end cars, right?
Well,
Mint.
no comment.
While the guys at Silverlake got the 106 into the spin bay, we headed over to the pick and pull area to see if we could get our hands on some parts for our own cars.
I love pick and pulls. This is the only one here as well, isn't it?
Only one in the UK left. We did make one fatal error though.
Didn't bring any tools.
We didn't bring any tools. So as long as you're handy with your hands, Ethan, we'll be fine.
Oh, I can see us go then. The reason I need it is I want a clean badge. They all seem to fade or wear or... It's an auto! No! I need the gear surround. Oh no.
What else?
Oh, steering wheel. There is a steering wheel. How would one get this off?
Bolts and nuts. Are you feeling a bit dejected now? Come with me. I got something that can help because I already see it.
That's a nice steering wheel. Could you get that help?
Do you want me to remove it for you?
Well, I'm not going to do it.
You know what it is, Ethan? You're too late for the party.
Yeah.
I think if you came here on day one where they got here, you'd have your pick of the bunch, but everyone's quick on it.
It's like the Wild West out here. Everyone's fighting to put their meals on the table. It's difficult, it's tough. I get it. Anyway.
How good is this?
Wow, what a room.
This car does not deserve to be in this room.
Hey!
How good is this thing?
The interior is mental.
Lightly shat, but that's fine.
We agreed to this. We've seen nothing of it.
No idea. I don't. How many miles are on it? 67,000 miles.
No way.
This has got to be someone's man's car.
Green seat belts.
This thing's amazing.
I like the piping as well. Look
Yeah.
at that. Oh, I feel
It also,
amazing.
yeah, it's not even like leather piping. It's velour piping. Ethan, would you like to pop the bonnet? Lovely.
It's a diesel.
It's a non-turbo diesel.
That's perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah, very happy. We're good to go.
Ethan, can't you imagine yourself in this? Jack's taking a Saxo, of course.
Yeah, I'll have the Clio.
No. How many
The
Clios?
Clio is blatantly
I
Edwin's.
found the Clio.
How many Clios have you had in your life?
You can't take that
That's
from
my
me.
Clio.
Oh, God.
That's a bit
Oh,
of you.
look at you. It's like you grew there. Come on.
You're built for this car.
Look at the man on the rear.
That's you. That's going to be you in the
Is this
south
like a
of France.
special car?
Yeah, it's a Key West.
Key West edition?
Let me have a sit in. I'm getting jealous.
Yeah, I want to sit in the back.
You get in the back, though, Jack.
No, let me get in the front. No.
It's my car, apparently.
Okay, let me get on the other side.
I'm the longest human in the world, and yet in the back of these, I fit fine. You're in your actual driving position, and there's a boot. Like, there's less space in 2023 saloon cars than this.
Us in this, driving down Key West.
Driving down Key West, you're going to drive it to Florida?
Yeah.
We've got a hazard light, a rear defrost, a front fog, and a piece of plastic.
What more do you need? See those plastic blanked buttons?
Yeah.
They're an optional extra on this car. You could option fake buttons.
Yeah. The other cars were cool. There's something about this.
It's because it's in such good nick, really.
So there's one thing with this car. This car was lost on the road in 2020. I think we need to buy this thing and get it take it straight for an MOT and see what happens.
Yeah.
Just straight for an MOT.
Straight for an MOT.
I tell you, more than anything, the curiosity of the 1.1 non-turbo diesel. What is that going to be like?
It can be a little chuggernaut, isn't it?
Chuggernaut? No, it isn't. We're chugging along. It'd be like a little steam engine. I think, yeah.
I think we get it bought.
I'm on board.
All right, let's get this thing bought. Let's get an MOT booked. Yes.
Oh my
What a thing! That sounds epic. Yeah? Oh, yeah.
That's fruity.
Sounds like a van. We need a tyre for that rear left because it's dry rotted. The other three are fine, but they've got a tyre bay here. Should we just drive it to the tyre bay and see if they can put one on it?
What are we talking
And then drive it to an MOT. If this thing could be back on the road today, that would be amazing. Jack, you breaking the news?
We won it.
We won it.
You are not going to believe this. This is actually mental. Won it for £300.
£300 for this mint 106.
Also, just a second ago, Edwin and I were looking up how many of these are left on the road. There are 6.
6 Key West.
There's
left.
6 Key West.
We're about to put a 7th on. And away we go.
Does it stop?
Yeah, it drives right, stops it right. Yeah, done. That's a test drive.
That's a test drive. That's an MOT pass. How good is this? This car was up on these racks an hour ago, and it's now driving away from them.
This car does seem too good to be broken, really.
It's like a prisoner being released.
Yeah. But also, we're going right back in to get a new tyre first.
It's charming.
You gelled with it instantly the second that you turned the key.
I mean, I enjoyed the Clear, and it is very much resembles a Clear. Where do you want
Into
me?
the tyre bay. There you go. I think it's straight in there.
So the test drive from the spin it bay to the tyre bay
Went well. Pretty well.
We didn't get out first, but
It's like your day-to-day driving, then.
With my new car driving mint, we had some time to kill while we had the new battery fitted and 4 new tyres put on. So we quickly paid
paying for the 106.
and then headed back to the pick and pull to see if we could find any mods for the mighty 106.
Oh, it's a 106. The dipstick.
We actually need one of these.
That's the one part that's broken, the top of the dipstick. The final piece of the puzzle.
We did need this as well. It's actually mega handy.
Lovely, thanks so much. Have a good rest of your day.
Nice one, cheers.
Final piece of the puzzle. Oh yes! This is now a 100% complete original car. Front plate too as well. We're missing a front plate, so the guy sorted us a plate. Here it goes. Oh, lovely. We've got 4 new tyres. They were 22 years old, the tyres on there. And we're replacing them for $11.99 a tyre.
I mean, they are 13s, but...
Yeah, they're 13 inch, but 40 quid. Let's go and get MOT'd now. Let's go. MOT time.
Battery, tyres, dipstick and plate now all sorted, we took our new little 106 down to Botley MOT Centre for a quick MOT, praying it would pass first time.
You're not allowed legally to film an MOT, so we have to just sit and watch. They said it was lost on the road in 2020, so we should actually look at the MOT history. Hold on, sorry. 2006, it passed. It was 64,000 miles. So it did 114 miles. The next year, 561. The next year, 79. The next year, 540.
This just went to the shops, didn't it?
2019 did 69 miles. So the year of ownership that this car did before had 69 miles done in it.
This is definitely someone's nan's car.
Someone's nan's car.
We should call it Nana. Nana Diesel.
I'm getting nervous watching. Can we
Okay, let's go get some
We're going to
food.
go get a sandwich.
Yeah.
While Brett got to work on the MOT, we came back 30 minutes later to see if we were ready to go on the road.
Give us the damage.
Oh.
Good enough.
Yes!
Wow. Unbelievable.
Very good.
I'm genuinely shocked.
And 100 miles since 2017.
100 miles in 6 years.
That's ridiculous.
Thank you to the guys at Botley Station MOT
Yeah,
Centre.
thank you very much.
Thank you,
Appreciate
Brett.
it.
Excellent.
I'll see you with the next
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, let's get in it.
First impressions, this is your car on the road for £350.
From the scrapyard to the MOT, which it passed.
This car was on racks this morning, ready to go for dismantling if it didn't go through another auction.
And it's past the MOT.
It's past the
That's
MOT.
ridiculous.
The worst thing is usually we buy cars and there's lots of stuff to be like, haha, this is broken or this is weird. It's just a car.
Yeah.
It's just a good car.
I'm curious, yeah, because I've got a Saxo I essentially have one of these. But mine is 1.1 petrol. I want to see what sort of guts this
Yeah,
thing's got.
can we lace it up?
So is that foot flat?
That's foot flat.
Okay. Okay.
No, that's similar.
Is it?
Yeah,
The Saxo?
that's similar.
No, no, the Saxo definitely had more.
So what you're saying
more
is
guts than
that my Clio will just shit on both of them.
What's your Clio 1.2?
Oh, that's true. I got an extra 100 cc's. I've got a small moped extra.
I just feel like I've got a rally car with the steering. Like
Yeah.
this.
Oh wow.
I felt like that with the Saxo.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's got like there's something in there. It's got some like race pedigree.
Exactly. Yeah. Here we go. Round the corner.
Yeah, it's better in the higher revs. So what do you reckon the story is with this? Someone gave up driving maybe?
Someone's nan. Rob said that he thought this might have been a council pickup because Silverlake get all of the police and council repossessions.
Oh, interesting.
So it might have been, look, this car's just been abandoned. Maybe the owner's passed away.
Well, I think we've done a good thing.
We have. This car did not deserve to be broken up.
Oh no, it did not. I mean, 67k in this condition, it deserves to live for a little bit longer.
mint.
Yeah.
No hurting this car. How about this? The winner of the trio trip gets something cool done to it.
Oh wow.
Please can we not have it be Ethan? Be wasted on him.
No, it will be me. It always will. It's quite deceptive. It sounds like I'm in a transit, but yet I'm driving a 106.
It's the best of both worlds.
It's the worst of both worlds.
You have all the practicality of a 106 with the power and leisure of a transit. So we set out to try and save a car from being broken up. I think we've done a good job. I think we made a good choice with this one. It's very honest. It's
Part of the crew now.
It's part of the crew. It didn't deserve to go for braking just yet. I'm not sure who else would have picked it up if I'm honest. But, how desirable is a 1.1 non-turbo diesel 106 these days? Really, not that much. But here it is. We might throw it up against the other hatchbacks we've got. If you want to see that, and then make sure you subscribe here and watch more videos down there.
Come on.
Come on in.
Come on.
Give it.
10.
Nothing.